Hi everyone, this is Shravan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is regarding Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, that is HPCL, Graduate Engineers Recruitment 2021. So this is without gate, right? So the important dates are this online application starts from 3rd March 2021 and online submission last date is 15th April 2021. The available vacancies are mechanical engineers, civil engineers, electrical engineers and instrumentation engineers, right? For mechanical engineers, the total vacancies are 120 and the grade is E2. The maximum age limit is 25 and the educational qualifications are mechanical engineering and mechanical and production engineering students. Okay. The next one is civil engineer. So total vacancies 30, E2 grade and max age limit is 25 and the required educational qualification is civil engineering. And when it comes to third one, electrical engineers, 25 vacancies and grade is E2 and max age limit is 25 and the required qualification is electrical engineering, otherwise electrical and electronics engineering. And when it comes to fourth type of vacancies, those are instrumentation engineers and the total vacancy is 25 and E2 grade and max age limit is 25 and the required qualification is instrumentation and control engineering, electronics and instrumentation engineering, instrumentation and electronics engineering. Those who have completed their graduation from these groups, those people are eligible for this particular recruitment. And here category wise vacancies classification: SC 20, ST having 18, OBC non-creamy layer having 49 vacancies and EWS having 20 and unreserved vacancies are 93, total 200 vacancies. Okay, for this recruitment 4 years full-time degree holders are eligible for this notification, right? And part-time students are not eligible and full-time graduate holders having minimum 60% of marks to apply this particular notification from unreserved and OBC non-creamy layer and EWS background. And SC, ST and PWD candidates having minimum 50% marks in their graduation. This is without gate. This HPCL corporation conduct a separate exam for this recruitment. Okay, the selection process may comprises of various shortlisting tools like computer based test, a group task and personal interview. These are the three stages. Computer based test will be of objective questions with no negative marking. We have two sections in this computer based test. One is general aptitude section, which consists of English language and quantitative aptitude test and intellectual potential test. Second one is technical and professional knowledge, and which comprising of questions related to qualifying degree and educational background required for the applied position. Okay, for this computer based test there is no negative mark. So all three stages having minimum qualifying percentage of marks, those are mentioned each page. First one is computer based test, which having 85% of weightage, and in this computer based test minimum qualifying overall marks, that means general aptitude plus technical, which is 60% for unreserved EWS students. Okay, 54% for SC, ST, PWD and OBC non-creamy layer. When it comes to group task, that is 5% weightage, and the minimum qualifying marks is 40% for unreserved and EWS candidate and 33.33% for SC, ST, PWD and OBC non-creamy layer students. And next, personal interview. This is having 10% weightage and minimum qualifying marks is same 40% for unreserved and EWS and 33.33% for SC, ST, PWD, OBC students. And final scoring, while considering three stages, the final scoring in this stage minimum qualifying marks is 60% for unreserved and EWS. Overall minimum qualifying marks is 60% for unreserved and EWS and 54% for SC, ST, OBC, PWD candidates, right? So this is individual qualifying marks. The pay scale for this particular notification, that is E2 grade, and 50,000 is the basic and 1,60,000 is the gross salary. By including all the allowances, the cost to company is 15.17 lakhs. Those allowances are mentioned in this paragraph, so please go through this paragraph. So pre-employment medical exam, placement and posting, probation and retention period. So please kindly go through all these things. If I am explaining all these things, the video length will be increasing, so that's why I am not explaining. So anyway, I will attach this PDF below this particular video. Kindly go through that. And application process, which starts from 3rd March 2021 and which ends on 15th April 2021. And application fee is 1180 rupees for unreserved and OBC and EWS candidates, and whereas SC/ST PWD candidates are exempted from payment of application fee. If you want more details, please visit this website, the company website. And here one more important thing: candidates except final year degree student must be in possession of all applicable degree certificates and mark sheets at the time of application. So this is regarding HPCL Graduate Engineers Recruitment 2021. This is without gate. Okay. And for more job updates, please subscribe my channel and share this information with your friends. Thank you.